Let's cook Nikujaga. Hi, welcome to Neo-Japanese Cooking. I'm Chef Keiji. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to cook Nikujaga, which is Japanese beef stew. Niku means meat, jaga means potato. Nikujaga was born in the 19th century. A Japanese chef tried to copy Western stew using Japanese ingredients. I like Izakaya called Shirube in Tokyo, and I got inspired. I will cook modern style Japanese Nikujaga. I'm going to use red wine for this Nikujaga, which is not typical ingredients for Japanese Nikujaga. This Western style Nikujaga goes well with bread or pasta too. Let's start cooking Nikujaga. Here's ingredients: beef, potato, carrot, onion, tomato, baguette, red wine, shitake and kombu dashi. Please watch how to make cold brew dashi if you haven't watched. Soy sauce, mirin, salt, ground pepper, cooking oil. Here's instructions. Wash all the vegetables. Peel potato. Slice potatoes. Peel carrot. Slice carrots. Slice onion. Make tomato puree. Let's prepare dashi. Measure dashi. Measure red wine. Measure mirin. Measure soy sauce. Cut beef into dices. Put salt and pepper. Heat up a pan. Measure cooking oil. After heating up cooking oil, cook beef. Just sear surface of beef. Put beef aside. Cook potato, carrots, onion. Use low heat. Cook about 3 minutes. Add beef. Add red wine. Add dashi. Add soy sauce and mirin. Add tomato puree. Keep cooking about 10 minutes on low heat. Please make sure nikujaga won't get too dry. You can prepare baguette. Nikujaga is ready. You can dip baguette into nikujaga. How did you like cooking nikujaga? If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions or requests, please leave it in comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.